Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the two-factor verification methods on Coinbase. All you have to do once you're in the app, click the three lines on the upper left hand side, click on account and settings at the top there, scroll down to where it says phone numbers, tap on that, and here you want to wait a couple seconds for this section to load because it contains multiple sections. Now as you can see, it's currently under the two-factor verification section, and in order to change the current one that you have, most likely it might be a text message verification option that you have selected, but in order to change this, just simply go ahead and choose the option that says available options. If you click that drop down, you will see that you have passcode, Google Authentication App, security key, trusted contacts, and so much, right? So you can go ahead and choose to set up which of the one that you want. So if you have, for example, the Authentication app, you can tap on this option and use this option if this is what you want. If you want to use a pass key, you can go ahead and set that up as well to use your verification or your biometrics. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and choose one of the pass key option here. So I'm going to quickly click tap on setup, then I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to send me a code to my phone. You might not be able to see all of these for security purposes, but I'm going to simply go ahead and copy the code that I will receive, and I'm going to enter that into my phone, and it's going to allow me to choose what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, to create a pass key option, and it's going to allow me to make the changes that I want. So guys, what you want to do, you can choose any one of these options that you have in the list. Just simply choose which of the one that you want and follow the steps that you will get to actually complete it. So if it's pass key option you want to go ahead and use, go ahead and select pass key. If it's authentication that you want to use authentication, and you have other options there in the list that you can choose from. Now what you want to do, once you set up a secondary option, you want to go ahead and just simply disable the current one that you had. So for example, if I set up the Google Authenticator app, once I have this, I will enable this option, and then I will just simply toggle off this text message option so I don't have to use that option. And that's it. You choose the one that you want by simply toggling it on or off once you have multiple options available to you. And that's all there is to it, guys.